Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial on servicing your camper tanks. Before you leave your campsite, it's recommended to put a lot of water down in the sewer tank through the toilet. In the front compartment, we keep a bag of latex gloves. We have a basket in there with an elbow you will need for the sewer hose. Next, you'll pull the cap to the rear bumper, and our sewer hose is located inside of there. It has two caps on it. You will need to disconnect the caps. Next, you will connect the sewer hose to the camper, and the other side goes to the elbow. Sometimes there's a rock close by and you can put it on the lid to help keep the hose still. Now there's two tanks. There's a black tank and a gray tank. The black one has the black lever and typically is the larger of the two pipes. You want to open that lever first. Make sure the sewer hose is as straight as possible. Let that drain until it's done trickling. You can dump the rest of it out of the hose this way. Close that black valve. Open the gray. This one can take a long time because it'll drain much slower because it's a small pipe. So you want to kind of use that for your pre-rinse. You can pull your hose apart and try to rinse between those grooves, but you'll be rinsing with a water hose afterwards also. Make sure that it is done draining all the way. Close the gray valve, disconnect the hose, and disconnect it here. Now you will want to rinse it really well with the water hose. You do not ever use the white fresh water hose out of the camper. Install both caps back on. These caps are airtight, so you need to have those on before installing into the rear bumper. Install the cap on the rear bumper and the cap on the sewer. Rinse and put the elbow back in the front compartment. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is better at the campsite.